Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Tej and today I would like to show you how to get your jade plant to grow faster and get a bigger trunk like this. Keep on watching. Let's say you bought a plant about this size. You can keep it in this pot, it will grow just fine. But if you want it to grow faster, you can move it in a bigger pot like this one over here. Make sure not to repot it right away as soon as you bring it home. At least wait for a week or two and let it adjust into your home environment, and then you can repot it. If you keep this plant in direct sunlight, fertilize it twice a year, and only water it when it's completely dry, it will grow really well for you. You can keep it in south, west, or east facing windows. All my jade plants are in these three locations, but they grow faster in south or west facing windows. Make sure when you're putting it by the window, it's not touching the glass. Keep it at least 1 feet away from the window. Also rotate your plant once or twice a month so they can grow evenly. Once you notice new shoots are coming and the plant is growing, you can move it in this pot over here, which is bigger than this pot. As you can see in this pot, stem is growing really thick and it also has a lot of new growth. This plant is about 10 months old and also started from a cutting from this plant. This plant right here is a 3-year-old plant. It was given to me by my friend and it was about this size when I got it. She has a 15-year-old jade plant which is really beautiful and it is just cascading over the pot. So you can grow it in many different ways and you can choose the look you like. If you want it to grow naturally, you can move it in a bigger pot and let it grow and keep it in a sunny location. It will start flowing sideways and outward, and then it will start growing downwards. As it grows, leaves get heavier and the stems get heavier and it's starting to grow downwards, which also look really beautiful. If you are like me and want it to grow upward and like a mini tree, then you can prune the plant as it gets bigger and bushier. This plant over here, I pruned it about 6 months ago in summer, and I have grown a lot of different plants from it. I will be pruning it again soon because it's starting to get heavier on one side, because sometimes I forget to rotate it, and also I'm trying to achieve a different look. If you guys are interested on how I do it, please comment below. I would love to share it with you guys. I will also be making a video on how to propagate in different ways and the method I preferred, which has 100% success rate. I will also show you how to propagate while dealing with gnats and can't keep the soil moist for new propagation. If you decided to move your jade plant into a bigger pot for faster growth, just keep in mind if the pot is bigger, it will take longer for soil to dry out completely. Jade plants are succulents, they store water in their leaves. They don't do well when constantly sitting in a wet soil. So make sure it's dry before you water it. You can put your finger into the soil and check if the top 2 to 3 inches is dry. You can also use a moisture meter. I water mine every 2 to 3 weeks, even more in the winter time, especially for the bigger pots. In summer, it might dry out faster if it's sitting in full sun. If you see leaves are getting wrinkly and soft, that means it's too dry. Please give it water right away. In a few hours or by next day, you will notice the leaves will get firm. Trust me, this plant won't die on you easily. I would like to give you a quick update on this fern which I transplanted in my previous video. It is doing really great in this new pot and I have solved the problem that I was facing with it. Please feel free to check out that video if you are interested. I will link it below and also try to link it on the screen. If I miss anything, please let me know in the comment box below and also share your knowledge with me. I would love to hear from you guys. Please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching. See you next time.